Okay, topic 2.2, which is conversion of mole from conversion of mole to mass and mole to particles. Okay, so the conversion factor we are going to use for mole to mass. Mole to mass is 1 mole of X or A or B equal to what? The molar mass from the periodic table. You can find that from the periodic table. And if it is mole to particle, we will use 1 mole of that is equal to the number which is Avogadro number. Okay. And for particles, the terminologies we are using, we will use formula unit for ionic compound, molecules for covalent compounds, single atoms we will use atoms, single element we will use atoms. Okay, so here we are going to find the amount of product. We can find either in grams, which is most common, or in particles. The given may be in moles, or you can start from grams too. Let's go ahead and see what is this question says. It says 6 moles of bromine. So you have 6 moles of bromine here, and you are going to find grams of aluminum bromide. So your given is 6 moles of bromine, and you are find grams of aluminum bromide. How many conversion factors you need? Let's see. This is moles of A, and you are going to find grams of B. So you will convert moles of A into moles of B using mole ratio. Okay, you have to use a mole ratio here. Mole ratio you will get from the balanced equation. Okay, after that we will go convert moles of B into what? Grams of B. Using the conversion, you will multiply with what? Molar mass. Okay, basically there are how many conversion you needed? 2 conversions. So just go ahead and start a T with the 2's, and you will write the 6 moles of bromine Br2 and copy the unit and identity down first, and go to the equation and see what are the mole number here, which is 3, and the unknown mole is what? 2 mole of whichever the compound, here it is aluminum bromide. Again copy the unit and identity down, and we know that it must be always 1 mole, and you are going to find gram. Use the periodic table to find the molar mass. Add 1 aluminum and 3 bromine. You will get 266.68 gram of aluminum bromide. Okay. Now let's check our T chart whether we done that correctly. Always diagonally units and identity must be the same. Yes, there, here it is. Cross them out. And now do the calculation and round your answer with how many sig fig. This one has 2 sig fig. You will get 1062 or something like that. You have to round that to 2 sig fig. So your answer is 1000. Your answer is 1100 gram of aluminum bromide. Okay, let's do the next one. This time you have 3.5 moles of bromine given, and you are going to find how many particles, which is formula unit since it is an ionic compound. Okay, let's do the T chart. Okay, we'll start from the given, which is 3.5 mole of bromine. Then you will copy the moles of bromine down, and look at the equation. There are 3 moles of bromine, and you are going to find aluminum bromide, which is 2 moles. And last one, copy the again, and it is always 1. 1 mole of aluminum bromide is how many? 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 formula units of aluminum bromide. Okay. Now check your T whether you done that correctly. Yes, yes, yes. Now calculate and write your answer in 2 sig which is 1.4 times 10 to the power of 24 formula units of aluminum bromide. Okay, let's do the third question now, which is a backward question. This time particles are given. Just go ahead and copy that. 4.56 times 10 to the power of 24 formula units of okay, it's not formula units. First of all, it's a single element. There is a mistake there in the question. You need to correct. This is atoms. So you will write atoms of aluminum. Then we know that these many atoms are in 1 mole of aluminum. So you will write 1 mole of aluminum is this many atoms. If particles are given, we need to find the moles. The only way we can do is just divide within the Avogadro number. Now copy the unit, and we know that that is 2 mole in the question, and you are going to find the bromine, which is how many more? 3 moles of bromine. So we are done on the calculation part and checking. So you can cross this out, and 24 and 23 you can divide and you will get a 10 there. So calculation will be easy, and your answer is 11.4 moles of bromine. Okay, now do all this practice. Always you have to check whether the equation is not balanced or not. If it is not balanced, you have to balance before you do the practice.